So guys, recently I saw one comment here. If we're promoting for any Instagram post to create in any ad, so we can dependent by the Facebook option is there. That is called when your Facebook page will be connecting for Instagram option is there. Where it is called Instagram is there. Once you connecting for your Facebook page on Instagram, so any ad will be creating for using Facebook page option is there. That is called to promote your Instagram post using for Facebook page option is there. Boost and Instagram post. But without using Facebook also, we can creating ad on Instagram option is there. Any ad will be promoting for using Instagram option. In this purpose, we have to using. First of all, I'm showing for organic method. If you go organic method, share direct message, Facebook, Messenger, share to Twitter, share via email, and a copy link. If you're promoting for your ad in the particular Instagram, in this purpose, we have to using for mobile application. Selecting for mobile application, what are the posts you can promote? Select the particular post option. Here, click option name is called promote here. When you're promoting option, the compulsory they give by three option. Promote your profile or website or direct message. Which one are you looking for that? In this purpose, suppose you can promote your website or only for profile. Select your profile option. After selecting for profile here, click for next option. Here is the next. After that, here selecting for your particular audience. They give automatic or create your own. A two option. Automatic is there. All are selecting for automatic. Special requirement. You're selecting for click here. Special requirement, credit, employment, and housing. We not go for any specially here. All I'm selecting for automatic and manual. I'll go with the click for manual option. Manual. When click for manual, audience name, location, interest, and age. First selecting for audience name. I'm selecting for DR, RTS, HYE. So here I'm creating for the particular option. Location. Click for location option. So where you can promoting for NA, local, add your location option. Here I'm promoting for only for Hyderabad. Here's a lot of places will be there. We not place selecting for Hyderabad. The selecting for Hyderabad, India. In the particular option will be select. The option will be done. Click for here. In this, we're selecting for local guys. Your particular business wise, we're selecting for minimum 1 kilometer to up to 30 kilometers range. You can select here. This is a particular match will be here. The particular audience. So I'm selecting in this. Click for save. After that, interest. Selecting for interest here. So what are the interest are you looking for this? So we can selecting for interest option. So interest, selecting for education, click for education option in this and click for done. So which you can suggest it for learning, university, student or school. Selecting for learning option. Click for OK. The based on they give the potential people reached 29 lakhs. Select your option will be OK. Now click for OK. Last one, select your age and gender. Age wise selecting here. Up to I'm selecting for 45 years only. So my target only for up to 44 or 45 years only. So I'm selecting for 45 years. Male and female X. Total will be receive audience will be potential people will be reach 27 lakhs. Okay, select it. This completely manual select after creating for manual ads. So this will be selected here. These all will be previous will be selected. This will be I'm creating for new option. After click for next. Finally, we have to select your budget. Budget will be here in the based on daily 320. So we can here. So in this option, Based on the days, in the particular budget will be decided on a particular here. Suppose I'm selecting for 3 days. Daily I'm spending will be 80 rupees. Here is the budget will be. In this 240 over 3 days, 2300 to 6200 daily. 2 days. They give this. You are overspending for limit as manager. Please adjust. The amount will be is done will be here. Now finally click for next. Everything will be done. Destination, audience, budget, paymentation, and cost. Here you can add your payment will be done. The payment adding for that in the Instagram account. My payment will be there. Here, the payment will be two options are there in this. One option will be once you linking your Facebook page to Instagram, amount will compass adding for Facebook manager option. If you're not linking, add your amount will be in the particular Instagram option. Is a budget. Finally click for create promotion option. Without Facebook also will be create add-on Instagram to the three option. Profile increase the followers purpose, website traffic purpose. Third one, we have to show option will be here, the option called direct message. In this option will be using in the particular ad. So after creating promotion will be here, start your ad. So how we can show your ad will be here. This is a particular ad. What option will be showing for shop now. This will be creating for by using Facebook option. When you're creating in the Instagram ad will be, they're not showing any button option will be here. So when you're showing organic, they're not showing for any button option will be there. When you come into paid option, they showing will be button will be here. Use app. This all will be easily know about that. When you're showing for sponsor, that all mean by your Instagram ads. Is it clear? Here, when you come into this option, in this, here is a particular using for Facebook page option. Boost post. Here, just scrolling down here, then nothing showing for any button will be here. So this ad will be showing for desktop news feed, mobile news feed, Instagram Explorer feed, and coming to the Instagram and Instagram article and Facebook suggested video option will be there. The particular option in this field. There's no button will be here. When you're promoting direct into the Facebook option also or Instagram. When you're promoting for in the along with the Facebook and Instagram with the button option, they showing will be users. The particular button option will be there. So which is better? Any Instagram will be connecting Facebook page, they're showing button. If you're not connecting for your Facebook page, that is not showing for any button for particular users. Only ad will be showing to the customer will be like this. So I can show one example how we can show your ad. I can't show example will be in the particular option here. This that ad will be shown to customer will be like this. They showing only for button will be learn more button will be shown to customers. Individual button we can't show, that show only for using Facebook page campaign. We can promoting mobile application anything possible by using Instagram here. Is a Instagram feed and Instagram. What is showing for learn more? Same like that. Use app. So you can go for another ad. So different options are there. Book now. Here get offer. Here option will be learn more. Is the option will be same like that our ad. So this is a way we can creating for Instagram ad using with Facebook and without Facebook. Without Facebook using for mobile application. With Facebook to integrate Facebook page with the Instagram option. As if any doubts will be needed, please ask me. I definitely will be support through my channel, Digital Rakesh. Any further questions are here. If you want, ask me. I definitely will be support through my channel option. No worry about it. You can comment me or message me on my particular Facebook page, Digital Rakesh, Instagram page, Digital Rakesh. You can connect us with us will be getting for new updates about the Instagram and Facebook. Will be connect with you and update the new topics. And if you want any question about Instagram, upload it. I'll make it video on the upload it for YouTube channel. I'll explain for your doubts also. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.